A very good morning to all my dear students of class 5. I have already sent the PDF of this exercise, but now today I will be explaining you the exercise. Students, over here in this question you are supposed to take the correct option, okay? So you are supposed to copy them down in the notebook, okay? I repeat, you are supposed to copy them down in the notebook. The first question says, why did all the children hate Hari? Now there are three options given. The correct option, the correct answer is because he always pinched them. So that is why all the children hated Hari. Now nobody took Hari's hand, nobody went near him, nobody played with him. This shows that Hari had no friends is the correct answer. Which of the following actions would make a friendly person? Write them down. You are supposed to copy those points through which you can make good friend. Respecting other people? Yes, you can make good friends. Eating a small child's tiffin? No. You cannot. This is the characteristic of a bully. You should not do it. Calling people rude name? No. That is bullying. Pushing a smaller boy and making him cry? That is again bullying. Being helpful to everyone? Yes, it's a good manner. You can make more friends. Helping your classmates in school? That is good manner. Okay, mocking at friends and hurting their feelings? That is the sign of a bully. Now, protecting a weaker person? Again, you can make good friends. You're supposed to note them down in the notebook. Now, in this crossword puzzle, what you are supposed to do? You are supposed to write the opposites of the given words. Smile, scowl means frowning. Okay, making the expression of an scowl is the expression of an anger. The second word is happy. Now what is the opposite of happy? You all will say sad, but over here we are using the word miserable. It also means sad. The third word is quiet. The opposite of quiet is noisy. The fourth word is strong. So the opposite of the word strong is weak. And the fifth one is punish. What is the opposite of punish? Rewarding someone, that is reward. Okay. Now Hari was pinched till he was black and blue. Now in this is a phrase, black and blue, being black and blue. Black and blue means Hari fell down in pain. There were bruises on his body. Hari painted himself in color, or Hari had a black and blue shirt. The correct answer is there were bruises on his body. The meaning of the sentence that he was pinched till he was black and blue means there were bruises all on his body. I shan't pinch anyone anymore. Shan't over here means shall, should, shall not, or will not. The correct answer is shall not. Now give the full forms of won't, okay, will not, wouldn't, would not, couldn't, could not, and yes, there are weren't. So the full form of weren't is were not. Okay, you are supposed to write the full forms. Now a girl was sitting quietly beside him. Hari leapt to his feet, crying loudly. The words quietly and loudly tell us how an action is being done. The adverbs tell us how the verb has been done. So these are known as adverbs. Find 5 more words ending in ly which denote how something is done. Okay, students, you are supposed to copy these words over here: ideally, logically, gratefully, definitely, and secondly. Now there are more words. You are supposed to add ly to these words and write the adverbs. Okay, so the answers are given here, and then copy these sentences down in the notebook. Okay, put the heading. Okay, put the heading exercise and then you note it down in the notebook. Okay, now in this exercise you are just supposed to spell out the words. Okay, so I want you all to read it yourself. Now over here these are rhyming words. Okay, in exercise question 2 on page number 142 you are supposed to write the rhyming words of the following words. Okay, so the answers are given here. You should copy them down. Okay, bruise, cruise, carriage, marriage, prawn, dawn, creatures, features, teachers, preachers, and vowed, crowd. Okay. Now, how did seaside creatures, the crabs, the lobsters, etc., teach Hari a lesson? Write in few lines. The description is given here. I want you all to write it in notebook again. The seaside creatures, the crab, the lobsters, etc., pinched Harry's hand in his great pincer like claws, which made him shout loudly in pain. It is only after this incident that Harry realizes that this is what he has been doing to everyone and how it hurts. So Harry learns a lesson. Now, read these sentences carefully. I ate an apple. A boy is standing under the tree. The sun rises in the east. A and N do not point out any definite or a particular person or a thing. That is why they are indefinite. The is used where we speak of something particular person or a thing. A and the A and the are called articles. These are called articles. Remember, N is used before the word beginning with a vowel A, E, I, O, U. What is this A, E, I, O, U? They are vowels, okay? And the words beginning with these letters, you should add N, okay? Now fill in the blanks with appropriate articles. Harry was dash unpopular boy. An unpopular boy, because the word, can you see the word unpopular? Unpopular begins with U and U is an vowel. Okay, so we will write an unpopular. The boys and girls went to the seaside for picnic. He saw a big crab coming towards him. I found an empty bottle floating on the water. The sea creatures ate, okay, the last one is the sea creatures ate their food, okay. A crab has hard shell, whereas over here, students, in the last one, instead of the, we will write a sea creature ate his. If it is creatures, we will add the. Over here, the sentence is wrong. We will write the sea creatures ate their food. Okay, instead of his, you will write add there. A crab. Okay, they are talking about over here Harry's food. So the sea creatures ate his food. A crab has a hard shell, whereas a frog does not have one. There are many animals that protect themselves from their enemies with their outer cover, shells or quills. The snail has a quill. In the following given below are the names of some animals and circle the ones that can protect themselves. Now, students, the animals that can protect themselves over here, they are encircled. The snail, tortoise, porcupine, hedgehog and turtle. They can all protect themselves. Now tortoise, they have 4 legs and a shell. They are cold-blooded. They range in different size. The female tends to be larger than the male tortoise and they live up to 90 years. Can you tell the difference between a turtle and a tortoise? Write a few lines. You are supposed to write them down in the notebook. The difference is given over here. Now see, when you are comparing two things, you use the word whereas for comparison. Can you see? Turtles have a flat back, whereas a tortoise do not have a flat back. Turtles can live both on land and water, whereas tortoise live entirely above water. Turtles are omnivorous. That means they eat only other animals, whereas a tortoise is mostly herbivorous, eats plants. Turtle's shell is lighter than the tortoise. A tortoise can live up to 150 years, whereas a turtle can live up to 40 years. Now see, for comparing, they are also using the word then, right? Now describe what is happening in the picture. Use is, are, and ing to make your sentences. Clues are given in the box. Students, for example, Krishna is swinging. Mary dash up the slide. Okay. Hari dash and boxing her. Little Bittu dash a lollipop. Rita dash down the slide. Now the answers are given here. Rita will run after the rabbit. Little Bittu will race with his friends. Mary will play badminton with Hari. Now work in groups of 4 and see the pictures of a shipwreck at the bottom of the ocean. Now suppose you went down deep sea diving. What would you find? Think of all the words that you can make in your mind. Then build a paragraph and share your story with other groups. Students, you are supposed to write it down, okay, in your notebook. Okay. That's it for today. Here we complete the exercise. Goodbye.